Alright guys, so if you're seeing this Google 400, that's an error, or sometimes 404 not found type of issue, don't panic. This usually happens because your browser is sending a broken request, or your cookies are messed up and Google just rejects it. That's literally it, nothing crazy. So first what you want to do is press F12 on your keyboard. This opens developer tools, and yeah, this looks complicated, but it's actually super simple. Now click on the network tab right here, and once you're here, just press Ctrl+R to refresh the page. And as you guys can see right here, we got a red request failed, and the status says 400 bad request. So what this means is the request your browser is sending is broken, and Google is like, nah, I'm not accepting that. So let's fix it. Click on this little double arrow icon and go to application, then on the left side click on cookies, and now just clear everything here, delete all cookies. Now if you don't want to do all that, or you want the fastest method, here's the shortcut. Just press Ctrl Shift Delete. This will open delete browsing data set, the time range, all time. Then only check these two options, cookies and other site data. And cached images and files, you can uncheck everything else, you don't need it. Then click delete data, wait a few seconds, and now go back and refresh or try logging in again, and that's it. It should be working perfectly fine now. So yeah, that's the fix, super simple. If this helped you, drop a like.